Alrighty, just finished making this little LED for my 3D printer thing. So how this is work, this is my LED light. It's changeable batteries under here. So you clip that in here, which is held in by the magnet. And this clips on at the bottom, which is also magnetic. So how this works is, if you're going for a jog or a run, you could put this on the outside. I'm trying to hold this here. And you take the magnetic clip and clip on the inside. And you just sit here and adjust where you want the light at. You can have the light in the front, or you could have the light in the back. So when you're running or jogging at night, it's pretty bright and people could see you far away. Didn't take long to make. I just didn't feel like making it until now, so it is finished.